Hello and welcome to JDG Watch Reviews. Today we will be unboxing and reviewing the Alba Signa chronograph with model number A4B001X1 in the reverse panda colorway. So just a quick background about the Alba, the brand Alba. It is a sub-brand of the Seiko Watch Corporation that produces a line of wristwatches. It first appeared in 1979 in Japan. And also a quick trivia lang, Alba translates to dawn in Italian and Spanish. Alba watches use Seiko's own family of movements, but with modern styling designed to appeal to younger customers. These watches are primarily aimed at the Asian and Middle Eastern markets and are known for their affordable prices. Being a sub-brand of Seiko, Alba watches are of course of good quality. So without further ado, let's start unboxing. So first off, if you look at the packaging, it's really of good quality. The materials used. So as you can see, it has the Alba guarantee booklet. And it also has the guarantee card from Alba. Most Seiko watches have this, and we can see the movement, the caliber here, VK64, serial number. Natin. So I just recently purchased this watch so that I can review it, and I really fell in love with the watch. So tabi muna natin siya. So may foam dito. Tapos here's the watch. It's on a basic watch pillowcase provided by Alba. It also has an Alba hang tag. So yan. So I bought this watch kasi na-inlove ako dun sa colorway niya. Yung red na chronograph seconds hand niya. Tapos yung sa subdial niya for the minutes chronograph, may red saka light blue. Saka very versatile siya, I think. And for the price, sobrang, I think, sulit. So for the specs, case size is 44 millimeters. Let's check. Yeah, about 44. Yeah, 44 millimeters. As for the case thickness, around 12 mm. Lug width, let's check, about 22 mm if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, 22 mm. Lug to lug, around 51. It has a mineral crystal and a stainless steel strap. Hindi pa natin tanggalin yung plastic. Ito yung stainless steel strap niya. Seems decent. Mukhang okay naman. Tapos, what I really like about this watch is the movement, which is the VK64 Mecha Quartz movement. So quartz siya, battery operated. However, when you press the chronograph, the feel is very tactile. At nagsusweep yung seconds niya. So more details about the Seiko VK64 Mecha Quartz movement. The chronograph subdials are located at the 3 o'clock and the 9 o'clock, and the date is located at 6 o'clock. The accuracy rating of this movement is around plus or minus 20 seconds per month. Ang kagandahan pa nito ay sweeping yung chronograph seconds niya. However, ang downside lang din ay wala siyang subdials for seconds. So what I like about this watch is that it has a very beautiful chronograph minute subdial. Dito talaga ako na in love eh. Tapos yung reverse panda colorway niya. Ang ganda kasi. Tapos yung movement niya, it's of okay quality naman. Yung Seiko Mecha Quartz. I have a few other watches that have this kind of movement. And accurate naman siya. Hindi naman siya naglo-lose ng time. Tapos, let's try to size this down, the bracelet, so that I can show you how it looks on the wrist. So, ayun, na-resize ko na nga siya. And we remove a total of 5 links overall. So, ito yung quality ng links niya, na folded siya. Pero, madali naman siya i-adjust. At medyo comfy yung bracelet niya, steel bracelet niya, kahit medyo low quality metal stamp yung clasp niya. Tapos one dislike I already have about this watch is that it only has 2 micro adjustments. Well, regardless, okay naman yung fit sa wrist ko. So ito, ganda niya. So, another thing that I like about this Alba chronograph, yun nga, reverse panda dial siya. Tapos, kung makikita niyo maigi, yung ano niya, yung chapter ring niya, pababang ganun. So, parang may def, may kita kang def. Tapos, ang ganda nung red chronograph seconds hand niya. So, I have a 6.5 inch wrist at sakto lang siya, borderline malaki for my wrist. So, overall, will I recommend this watch? Definitely, thumbs up. For the price, with an SRP of 5,800 pesos, I can't really complain about how good this watch is. Sobrang sulit, value for money, as with other Seiko watches. Since sub-brand siya ng Seiko, yung Alba, maganda yung build quality overall. I would really recommend this for first time watch owners na nagsisimula pa lang sa watch collecting hobby nila. Although hindi siya automatic, hindi siya mechanical, Mecha Quartz siya, battery operated. Maganda siya pang everyday wear. At ito pang downside pa siguro, mineral crystal niya. Pero would I buy this watch again if I have the chance? Oo. I'm already planning to buy the Panda colorway na nga eh. The other colorway of this watch. Other watches to compare this to, maybe sa price, yung Seiko Spirit SBTR series, this watch. I've had this watch for a while now. I bought it last year, and VK series din siya. So comparing the two, ito may second subdial siya dito sa 6 o'clock. Tapos yung date niya nasa between the 5 and 4 o'clock positions. This is not the stock strap of this watch. I changed it to a mesh strap. Pero overall, they're on the same price range. Mas bago nga lang yung design nito. Ito medyo luma na yung design niya. By the way, this is a JDM model unit. Budol finds din to at our local online shopping platforms. Hanapin nyo na lang. Ilalagay ko yung model number dito. Anyway, please don't forget to like and subscribe my YouTube channel so that maybe we can review this watch soon. This Seiko Spirit SBTR. chronograph. Mecha quartz din siya. So yun lang guys. Thank you so much for watching my video. Hanggang sa muli. Bye-bye.